Hey, what's up guys? I'm gonna unbox and review this floor lamp by LePower. So it comes with the LED bulbs. Hopefully this is not broken. No. Regular LED bulb, and it says 9 watts and 3000 K for the color, so this is gonna be a warmer light. Okay. So we have the standing pieces right here. This is most likely the top light right here. Connected all in one wire. These must be what they call the daughter lights, I guess, for the reading lights. And power plug. So 2 more smaller lights. Let's see how much power these give off. So for a size comparison, this was the one that I opened up, so you could see that these are definitely smaller. And this is 5 watts, the same color, 3000 K. Instructions, how to assemble it. Pretty straightforward, I'd imagine. Another one, since there's 2 of them. And we have the headpiece, and if you guys are wondering, this does feel like plastic. In fact, it feels a bit flexible, so yeah, this is plastic. And these are the same material, again, flexible plastic. Same thing, plastic. And we have the base, which I imagine probably weighs maybe 5-7 pounds. This feels heavier than 7 pounds, maybe like 8 pounds or something like that. Now in a completely dark room, 1, 2, 3. So you have 3 lights with the same switch on each. So they turn on individually, and you can move these around and they pretty much stay, so pretty good job there. You can also twist these if you want them to face up. You could leave it like that as well, so completely up to you. I'm just gonna kind of leave it like this as a reading light.